It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! Oh my goodness, you guys. Two exciting things happening today. Number one, we have a car refill sale. And then number two is my box with all the summer body care is arriving today. So as soon as I get that box, I'm going to do the video. I'm hoping it comes like within the next hour. Usually laser ship comes between like noon and 3. So Bath & Body Works today, car refill fragrance sale. I'm actually going to go over how to load one of these. I can't decide if I want to do the sale today. I have a couple of these and I don't use them a lot. I use them occasionally in the summer just to freshen my car up, and then I like the fall ones. We also have a single wick candle sale today for $6.95. That's actually kind of exciting because you can layer the deals. I really am almost tempted to do a couple of single wicks. I want that blue raspberry snow cone, and I want the purple berry waffle cone. So blue raspberry snow cone, I was just talking about this yesterday. Oh my gosh. This is literally one of the best Bath & Body Works candle scents I have ever smelled for summer. I love it. It smells just like a blue raspberry snow cone. Also today, we got warm apple pie. I got to talk about warm apple pie. I got to get my hands on that one. It feels like fall when they do warm apple pie, but they always do it for 4th of July now. And firecracker pop in the 3-wick and the single wick. So lots of new stuff. I did put my order in yesterday for the Rainbow Waves, the Pride collection. I'm excited about that. So that is coming. So let's talk about these car fragrance clips. So there's 2 different clips out there. There's the visor clip, actually 3 different clips. This is the visor clip. Then they have a vent clip. And then they have the dual visor clip vent clip. So I just happened to see this setting off to the side. I'm really sneaking Halloween in there, aren't I, you guys? I'm not doing this on purpose, I swear. This one was so neat. But look at the back. So like I said, this is a dual clip. You can either use it as a visor clip. This pulls out. Or you can pull it this way and then it becomes a vent clip. So I prefer the visor clips. You know, set it and forget it. You put it on your visor and then you've got some nice scent rolling into your car. The vent clip to me, I only like these in the summer. For some reason, I don't like warm fragrance circulating like in my car. It feels gross. I don't know why with the heat coming through it. But I don't mind the air conditioner coming through it. I don't know why. So like I said, you can put this on your vent. I prefer the visor clip though. So here's what the refills look like. I always tell people, get them when they're on sale. The $1.95 price is amazing. You do need the barcode in the store. Online, you're going to need the code ROADTRIP. $1.95 is like the limit on what I think is reasonable to pay for these. You get basically 5 for under $10. You know, 5 will last you a couple months. So basically, I bought this new clip. I love the butterfly. I'm going to put this one in my car. There's a little tab here, and you open this up, and you're going to put your fragrance refill inside of here. So I'm going to show you how to use these, because they're a little bit tricky. There's like a tab on the back here, and you're actually going to pull this up right here and pull off the top. This is actually the Waikiki Beach Coconut. No, it's Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. I was looking at green. There goes Coco, you guys. Oh, FedEx is here. Take a FedEx break, you guys. It's so funny because I always call our FedEx guy Coco's boyfriend because he always brings her a treat, and he came to the door and he's like, I'm so sorry, I ran out of treats. I thought Coco was going to cry. She gets so excited when she sees her boyfriend. But the good news is he brought her a box of Chewy. So we're all good now. So there are treats in the Chewy box. So she's sniffing the box. I got to go get her a treat. Poor Coco. Yeah, so I am back. So what am I talking about? I just lost my train of thought, you guys. We're talking about the car fragrance refills. So I just took the top off. And there's this thing is like a rounded area on the bottom, and then this is where the scent comes off on the top. You really don't want to touch that because this is where the scent is actually flowing through. So it does smell like, what is this again? Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. I'm like, what the heck scent did I buy, you guys? So what you're going to do, and this is a little bit of the tricky part, because if you don't put this in right, it's not going to work. So you want to put this so the rounded part is kind of in the tray here, and you'll see when you pop it in that the flat part is on top. Then when you close it, the scent is going to come out on the top. I'm kind of curious to see how the butterfly one works, because the butterfly is like a solid piece, and then the scent's going to flow all around the butterfly, where like this one, the scent just flows through the spider web there. So I feel like this one would probably work better, but I thought the butterfly was cute. I can't smell it. It does smell good. Totally mixed feelings on the car fragrance. Everyone you talk to, I feel like, has a different story for these. Some people, they say they work really good. Some people have said they're not as strong as they would like. For me personally, I feel like they're just the right strength. I don't like a really overwhelming scent in my car, and I feel like this gives me just a little bit of fragrance to freshen it up. I recently got a new car, so my car doesn't smell too bad. It used to smell like dirt and french fries. It's like, which is funny because the Kringle candle smells like french fries. I'm like, that's like car smell. But when there's like winter and mud everywhere, my car is actually doing pretty well now. I just cleaned it. So I'm going to put this butterfly one in my car, and I'm going to get a little tropical smell in my car. They do have a couple of new ones out. They've got sea salt and sails. They've got champagne margarita, and iced dragon fruit, I think, is also new. So that's kind of exciting. I wouldn't mind trying the iced dragon fruit in my car. I do like strawberry pound cake a lot. I always like the pumpkin cupcake, the pumpkin apple, any fall scents. I tend to use these a lot more in the fall. But like I said, I will pop this one in my car. Because it's pretty, and my car will smell nice and tropical. So anyway, shop today if you want to get these, because you don't want to pay, what are they now? I think they're like they used to be 3 for $9. And I think they're actually a little bit higher now. Did they go up to 3 to 11? I can't remember because they don't have the regular the daily price on here, but the prices are going up a little bit. Today's the day to buy. They do the sale maybe like 4 times a year. I want to say maybe 5, like every couple months they'll do one of these sales. So anyway, let me know what you think of the car fragrance clips. Do you use them? Do you not? And if you're shopping the sale today, I'm going to wait patiently for my Bath & Body Works body care to come. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.